Good afternoon. So, ito yung ganap namin sa shop. Today pala magkakabit kami ng emblem ng M4, no? So, pakita ko lang kung paano siya ikabit. So, dito sa shop namin. So, ito yung car. First, kailangan natin siya i-template. So, ganyan po kami magkabit. Para at least hindi siya lumayo sa dating posisyon or align siya. So, kailangan natin template. Ito nga pala yung kakabit natin na emblem, no? So, may lining, may outline lang siya ng chrome. So, yung stock niya is all black lang. No? Meron pala kami ginagawa dito, kahit bike or road bike, nag-PPF din kami. So, ito, actually matte naman siya. Binali namin ng matte PPF. So, ito pala. Meron tayong Tesla Cybertruck. Ito naman, magawin natin dito is full tint. Actually, nakabalot na siya ng vinyl. Okay, so, para pa kaming ibang ginagawa dito. So, pakita ko lang din. Ito, nagdi-detail na kami para sa coating. So, ito, ang detailers natin. Jo Marie, kumusta tayo dyan? Anong ginagawa natin dito?
Yeah, degrime.
So, degrime. So, guys, ang degrime pala natin is gumagamit kami ng stick and then may cotton siya sa dulo para hindi ma-scratch yung pintor natin if magkuskos kayo ng ganon. So, yan po yung ginagamit natin pang degrime. Hey guys, I'm Michael. So, ngayon magkakabit sila ng BMW anniversary emblem on the BMW M4. So Frony showed us what the emblem looked like before. So it's the stock look with the regular silver around it and the BMW logo. So I'll show you guys now. And let's see. What? So lalagay ko lang laptop ko sa aking table. Then papakita natin yung emblem. Ang ginagawa ngayon. So, here's the M4. Which one are we, what holes are we talking about?
So, anniversary emblem. With no hole.
Oh, for the camera.
Stop making anniversary emblems already. No longer in production. That's what it's supposed to be.
So it came like this.
So now we have to deal with this and put this on that to make it look like that.
Stop production.
So they gave it to us like that since
Yes.
they phased out the one with the holes already.
Yes.
So-
And there's no definite delivery time on when this will come. So you have to figure this out. So wait, look at this. How do you put a hole?
Ah.
How do you put a hole in a no hole? Hole saw?
Dali lang. Meron akong yun lang. Kailangan mo ma-exact yun.
Exactly. So explain to this guy.
Ay, may nakaabang na pala eh.
700% on the hole sa kana.
Hindi, meron akong kwan dyan, carbide. Ang problema, huwag sana mag-tractor. Barinahan mo muna ng maliit. Tapos saka natin dadahan-dahanin yun. May carbide ako dyan eh. Kunin mo kay Emma yung carbide.
Hold on, let me explain. So our client provided us with an emblem which is unfortunately incompatible with the BMW M4's rear view camera. Upon knowing this, we ordered another emblem which has a hole, which is now compatible with the rear view camera of this specific vehicle. Out of curiosity, we kind of tried to manually put a hole in this emblem which kind of went to shit.
tayo sa tint. Oh, boss, kamusta? Okay naman? Ito na. So, may tint na siya sa side windows niya. Kailangan na lang yung harap. So, naka-tape siya guys kasi di pa pwedeng buksan kasi kakatint lang, nag-cure pa siya. Ayan, tinitint na nila yung sunroof. Oh, boss, kamusta? Laki ng, laki ng cut niyo dito ah. And so, may privacy glass na siya pero pinatint for heat rejection. Ang daming plastic. Lapad nito. Okay. Boss, ikot ako. Okay. Up next guys, we're gonna look at some cars na ginagawa ng mga boys dito. I think may F12 nilalagyan ng window film ngayon. Tingnan nga natin. Then guys, for the protection from rock chips and damages on highway runs or the track. Autoskin's window film will save you from all those. Nice smoke headlights on this GT3 RS. And smoke taillights also. O Glenn, kumusta gawa? Smoke din pala yan? Pwede pa pala yan. Bale ito, tapos yung buong taillight, no? Nice. LX 600 F Sport. And beside it, Ferrari 488 Pista. Which will be fixing the sticky buttons. Look at that. If only I could show you how sticky these buttons are. It's pretty bad. Feels like there's glue on it. But yeah, you see the adhesive problems on these buttons are a very big problem when it comes to Ferraris. Especially the F12, 458 and the 488 Pista. They're kind of vacuuming now, so I'll just show you the other side without talking. Look how sticky these buttons are. Now you can see it because of the light. Look at that. Big problem for these types of cars. So we will be fixing the adhesive, all thanks to Car Parts. Wow, look how sticky that is. Sticks to my fingers. Anyways. So now we're gonna go to the painting sector, see if anything's going on. All the leather parts just came in, ready for restoration. And now the roof is getting ready for, I'm not sure what. Look at that. The master. Here's another restoration project. The Mustang project. Look at that engine. Shelby Cobra. All the interior's done. Just need the steering wheel and a lot more work to do on this one. What a beauty. That's it guys. See you on the next vlog.